So here to compare these two quantities, I'm going to rewrite them, and I will rewrite this as 0.6t minus 0.02t. And then we're told that t is greater than s, and they're both positive. So I'm actually going to move that term here, move this 0.02t here. So sometimes I'll do these manipulations so that it's easier to make the comparison. Now in this question you could start plugging in immediately here, but this is just makes it a little bit easier to do the comparison. And then multiply both sides by 10. So the question really is equivalent to comparing these two quantities. And of course, at this stage, I will plug in numbers. This is positive, that's positive. And if t is, let's say, 2, and s is a 1, this is 6, and then that would be 0.4. In this case, quantity b is greater. Now, how do I make that larger? Well, if I keep the difference 1, meaning t is, let's say, 100, s is 99, this will still stay at 6, but now 0.2t would be 0.2 times 100. So this kind of helped me to see that I just need to keep that small, and then as t becomes large, this number, for example, here is 20, which is greater than that. So I could come up with two cases where quantity A was greater and then quantity B was greater, and that way I can establish that the answer is D. Now you could certainly plug in numbers right away here. I mean, you have a calculator, you can do that. But just think in terms of extremes. You want to use numbers that are close to each other, and then values that are larger in magnitude. So that's another way you could establish D.